Hey y'all, I'm finna cook this dinner, but I didn't want to cook it without y'all, so that's why I came on and show y'all what I'm finna cook. Okay, so it's gonna be real quick though. I got some cabbages right here, and ain't nothing in here but my cabbages, my HEYY dust, and some bacon grease. That's it. That's all in here. And my cabbages, they pre-cooked. I did the video. I didn't do the video on how to pre-cook my cabbages and stuff like that, but I just had to go ahead and get them did because by the time I got to them, my cabbages got to where it was going bad, and I just didn't do them. But only thing I did was cut my cabbage up and boiled them for about 3 to 5 minutes, and that's it. Took them out, let them cool off, and then I bagged them up. This is what they look like bagged up. So yeah. Stick them in your freezer, and they're good to go. But you can't just stick them in there just like that. You know, you can't just stick them in there raw, not cut up or nothing like that, because they turn out rubbery. But if you blanch them first and then put them in there, they'll be good to go. Okay, so I'm just taking me a little water, put it down in there, just a little bit. Alrighty. And then I'm going to take some bacon bits and put them in there as well. These ain't the not no real, it's real bacon. These ain't the fake imitation bacon. It's the real bacon bits that I'm gonna use. Right there. Yeah, that's rice. I ain't cooking that though. So I'm put some bacon bits in here. Just about a teaspoonful of it. That's about it. You know, something to give them some flavor. And then my seasoning, and that's it. I put the HEYY dust though. I'm finna make some fish on top of the stove. Cut some onion up in it, and that's gonna be good to go. I'm not gonna fry the fish though. The fish gonna be sauteed. So I'm gonna get a little butter, put it down in my pan. Stand these cabbages on up. And I cook them till they get tender. I'll add just a little bit more water. You gonna tell the family, hey?
Yeah.
You can tell them.
Come around.
They'll hear you.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Well, I'm doing good. All right. I ain't so good, but I'm all right.
You got to claim good though.
Huh?
I said you got to claim good though.
Yeah.
You claim it.
What?
If you claim good, you is good, right?
Yeah. How y'all doing today?
They doing good.
Give me my jug out there while you in there.
Okay. They doing good. They quarantined. They staying in the house, some of them.
That's what they better do.
Stay in the house. We trying to stay safe as well. But y'all, I can only stay in so much, you know. I'm gonna take me some butter and put it back there too.
I ain't going out until it's over with.
Take some butter, put it in my pan. I got some catfish, y'all. Alright, so got me some fish. It's catfish and what's this other fish you said it was, Grandma? Crappies. And Grandma, she cleaned the fish for me yesterday. Bless her heart. So let me turn that down. Alright, so first off, we're going to get this onion cut up. Say it again.
Talk to y'all tomorrow.
Okay. Alright, y'all. So now I'm just going to get this onion cut up and put it right on down in here. So I'm just going to take my onion and I'm just going to slice it into nice size pieces, but kind of thin on the thin side, not too thick. So we're just gonna get that onion right down in this oil, and this butter I meant. If you got you some bell pepper, put you some bell pepper if you like bell pepper. And if I'm telling you what to do, I'm just showing you how to do the thing, okay? Alright, so we got that. We got this bowl of fish. I hold nicely cleaned up and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take about 2 pieces probably. Yeah, about 2. Put about 2 pieces down in there. Y'all know they don't eat no fish, so I'm gonna put about 2 on in here. And we're gonna get it seasoned up. Let me see. So we're gonna get the HEYY dust down on this fish. Seasoned up and everything. Like that. HEYY dust is my all-purpose seasoning. It is low in sodium. You do not have to worry about it running your blood pressure up, having it being too salty. It's full of herbs and nice, and has a very, very nice flavor. Okay? Yes. So we're gonna let that cook on up. I'm gonna flip these over and season them on the other side, honey, because y'all know that, like I tell you, meat got 2 sides. Okay? Everything have 2 sides, so we're gonna season them bad boys on both sides. Let me turn that up. Let that do like that there. Okay. So no rice, no nothing to go with this. Just no grits or nothing. Just the meat and vegetable, and that's it. Alright, y'all, so I got like a little crust down in the bottom of this pan and everything. And so what I want to do is have like a little sauce to go on top of it. But I'm not going to add no flour or nothing, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit more water to this. Everything that it picks up, that's what I'm going to use to pour on top of my fish. Like that. Like that there. But I'm going to cook this fish till it's tender. Y'all see that juice? That juice gonna be good. Fish is always good when you pour its own natural juices on top of it. Child. Y'all just don't know. Alright, y'all. So the fish is done. The cabbages, I still had those going like them. I cut just a little sliver of onion up in it. You know, I like onion in it, but I ain't cut that much up in there. Alright. So,
you put my butter up?
What?
You put my butter up?
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take my fish and lay it on the plate.
I don't even see no flavor water.
And then we're going to take the little sauce with the onions and everything, honey.
I gave you mine.
And just put them right on up there on that. Look how that seasoning gave it this nice, pretty color.
I thought twice about it. I just gave it to you.
I know the devil is a lie, honey.
Man.
Especially when you down to your last, baby. I sure would have been drinking water.
You like water?
I ain't never said I like water.
You ain't drinking
Now
water?
that flavor water is pretty good, but you know, you said your favorite is that orange over there. So you know, go on get with it, boo. Okay. I know I done covered it with the seasonings and stuff and the onions and all that, but this is the fish, y'all. This is the fish, and it's good. Shut up, because I don't need you to say nothing. I can already hear you now. That shit ain't good.
What?
Nothing.
Nobody want no fish. I don't eat fish. So, of course, I'm going to say it's good.
Exactly. Okay, so then we got the cabbages. We're going to put them cabbages on here.
So Some people like fish. I don't.
I like fish too. We love fish, honey. Okay.
What I do with my damn butter?
So,
What I do?
this is the... Babe, I put it in the bottom, honey. You about to panic and it's right there in your face. There's a snake with a bitch. Okay.
You told me keep your hands on your head.
Let me get y'all up here, honey. Because he about to get knocked out, y'all.
You better lower your tone and keep your hands on your head.
This is the fish, baby. This is the fish and the cabbages.
Go be on the first. Keep fucking with me now.
I ain't worried about you.
There you go. Be on the first 48 now.
Alright, so this is dinner tonight for Grandma. I love y'all. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And welcome, welcome, welcome to all the new subscribers. And welcome back to all my family, y'all. Till next time, you already know who this is. Tiana, I can only be me. Peace.